去澳洲睇熊啦，
好難揾啊！哇，滴汁㗎，濕晒個頭，避下雨先。做乜咁粗口啊？早晨，而家係6:40，我哋5點半已經起咗身啦。6點起。肥仔6點，我哋6點半。我想講我哋5點半咧，全世界啲鬧鐘一齊響，勁好笑。我而家就等緊車嚟接我哋去 Great Ocean Road 啦。
Beginning of the Werribee Open Range Zoo. So Victorian zoos, if you've got time, there's the Melbourne through here somewhere. But as I said, they've got massive enclosures. So stop. Yeah. But it will be about 2 hours.
我哋而家介紹下，我哋喺邊啊？我哋而家喺邊啊？喺邊啊？我哋而家搭到中途咧，就落車去。我都唔知做咩啊？呢就 morning tea 啊！我等陣會去一個，我聽講 rainforest 睇野生嘅熊貓，唔係咩？樹熊。
去澳洲睇熊啦。
Especially if you enjoyed that, because this is a beautiful.
呢個係我喺澳洲見到嘅第3條彩虹。
Not as many of them have that 2 on there anymore.
Great Ocean Road 嘅 official entrance。雖然落緊雨，但係都照出咗嚟。而家大家喺度揾一啲野生樹熊，好難揾咯。其實佢哋話樹熊有22個鐘入邊都係瞓緊覺，好難揾啊！唔肯定大家見唔見到啊？
去好頂頂有劈嘢，嗰劈嘢就
係啊，嚟佢呢一度啦。批雞批、扇貝批、肉批，好唔好食啊？好味。哇，滴汁㗎！我哋而家行山徑，我哋而家喺 rainforest 入邊，整個綠色人 greenways 啊，前面嗰個係。哇，好涼爽啊！
Beautiful part of natural rainforest. A lot of it very much untouched. They put a few of these pathways and that sort of thing up.
好涼爽啊！
又行山喎。
係啊。
This is where we start to get a little bit morbid. Okay, we start talking about death a little bit. Did everyone see that at the bottom of the tree? Come from botany schools all over the world. Professors still don't understand. Similar to that architecture of the pole house. You've got 3 different trees. But that in itself isn't that unusual. You've probably seen it's probably a lot closer again. We've been kept away from it. These ones are a little bit different. So this one's not growing up. Come across here, guys. I promise we'll be fine. We'll be fine. Oh, not in it. No.
係澳洲3大景點之一，我哋而家去緊嗰個98棟石。我哋啱啱落完勁大雨，做乜咁粗口啊？貪晒，要洗頭啊！到你啊！
棒！
濕晒個頭，避下雨先。哇！雨先去咗打嘅，陣間點落車啊？
Get a thumbs up from everyone. Fantastic.
except for the rain。
佢呢度咧話 Melbourne 咧係會一日經歷晒4季嘅。
我哋啱啱經歷咗
冬天。
係，佢話預
哇！我想冇夾頭啫，如果夾咗頭，跟住我瞓緊我會勁嬲。
可唔可以將啲糖嚟？
青糖，肥仔想食糖啊！條褲濕晒，頭髮都出埋。哇！好多沙！哇！而家乾晒。Aaron 唔好叻講笑話嘅咩？佢傳咗嗰隻小呢個係 Melbourne DAY2 trip。
聽日就睇企鵝啦。
耶！下集見。